In the previous screencast, we went over making a basic interactive map using Google's My Maps. In this screencast, we're going to show you how to take that Google My Map and import that data into map channels so that you can have an embeddable map with a functional sidebar. So this is where we left off last time with this Google map of Garden City with Patrick Dugan's Coffee House, the Garden City Telegram, and the Finney County Sheriff's Office. What we're going to do is we're going to go into this tab here, and this is mapchannels.com. I'm already logged in. I created a profile. It's a simple sign-up process of, having a username, a password, and then clicking on an email confirmation link. And we're going to go down to Map Channels version 3. And I want to create a new map. So you need an identifier. I'll just call it tutorial, and a map title. I will also call that tutorial. And it's going to ask for a data source. And my data source is my Google My Maps KML. So here it asks for the MSID value of the My Map. So I'm going to go back to my Google map. And if I go over to link, and if I copy this link and paste it into something like TextEdit, you'll see in the link right here, MSID equals. Now this sequence of numbers following that MSID equals is your MSID number. So I'm going to copy that up until this ampersand. And I'm going to Command C to copy. Go over to mapchannels.com, paste that value in there, and agree to these terms and conditions and create my map. I'm already using that identifier. Tutorial 2, we'll call it. Okay. Go back to Map Channels version 3, and now I want to view tutorial 2. So it has my 3 markers: Finney County Sheriff's Office, Patrick Dugan's Coffee House, and the Garden City Telegram with a link to the Telegram website, and a functional sidebar. Now you can edit this map, so I'll go back. I can go to edit that map, and I can change things like I can change the color of this header. I can take this ad off. I can choose what the starting location is and how zoomed in I am for that starting location. I can take off the search bar. I can do different things. So right now I'm going to take off the ad and take off the search bar. So let's see. Advertise, enable map adverts, no. And I will update that. And what other options do I want? You can set the style, so change the header style, subheader style, footer style, all these different things. Set background colors, font sizes, font families, things like that. Well, I know that you can take the search off as another option. The only reason I take that off is because when I have a map, I want the users to be focused on these elements that I've added. I don't want them to search for something and then have all these results pop up and then you lose that sidebar. That's why I take the search off. But you'll see here you can embed this map. And so what that looks like is, we'll go to this tab here. This is the map embedded straight from Google My Maps, and as you can see, it lacks that sidebar. And this is a map embedded through mapchannels.com that includes the sidebar, so I can see the Finney County Courthouse, Garden City Telegram, Patrick Dugan's Coffee House, St. Catherine Hospital. All of the locations that I've added would be visible here instead of having to simply click around this map and see what's what. And if you have more than one data set, if you have more than one map, in map channels, excuse me, in map channels you can add those different feeds. So I have additional feeds that I've added already that pull from different Google My Maps, and I can combine them all into one larger map if I wanted to. And that is the basics of using map channels with Google My Maps.